Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to add a free module to your website using your account. Let's get started. Before adding a module, make sure your website is already connected to the App Shop. If the connection has not been configured yet, please refer to the Connecting to App Shop guide first. Next, open your web browser and sign into your osCommerce account. Go to and log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, locate the module you want to install. You can browse available modules in the App Shop or use the search function to find a specific module. When you open the module page, click Add to My Library. The module will then be added to your personal App Shop library. Now return to the admin area of your website. Go to App Shop and open the My Library tab. Locate the module you previously added to your library. Click Install to add the module to your website. Follow any on-screen prompts that may appear during the installation process. Once the installation is complete, the module will be available for use in your store. That's it. You've successfully added and installed a free module using your account and the My Library section of the App Shop. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.